A weather radar is installed to detect severe weather and display it on the ND for use as a severe weather avoidance tool. The weather radar control panel is located on the center pedestal. We will now look at the different controls and indications of the weather radar. The on-off switch controls the power supply. When switched on, the tilt indication appears on the ND. The tilt knob is used to adjust the radar antennae relative to the horizon. The tilt angle is displayed on the ND. The gain knob is used to adjust the sensitivity of the receiver manually. In this case, the word manual appears in green under the tilt indication. In the auto position, the radar adjusts the gain to the optimum setting automatically. And the 3-position mode selector. Weather shows the intensity of precipitation. Weather turb shows the turbulence areas in magenta. Map. The radar operates in ground mapping mode. When Auto is selected on the wind shear toggle switch, the predictive wind shear system generates the appropriate visual and oral annunciations. The tilt and gain are automatically controlled for the scanning. Note, in this mode, the tilt displayed on the ND indicates only the tilt value manually selected on the panel, not the real value of tilt.